What's up, guys? Antwan Webb here with Culture Matters. Hey, standing with us today is Joey Chan, CEO of Custom Design Carpentry, Inc. Welcome, Joey.
Thank you, Antwan, for having me again.
You're very welcome. Now, Joey, he's been a home inspector from 2008. He's also a real estate investor and a contractor. And this video is targeted to all of our real estate partners out there. And Joey has a very unique proposition for you. Joey, take us away.
Thank you, Antwan. So, any of you guys ever go to a property and you want to get this thing fixed up, but you don't really know where to start? Give me a call. I'll help you. And we'll walk through the whole thing. I'll guide you through the whole process. And because of my background, you'll get the full in-depth everything. You want to put an addition on the house, you want to just put a new kitchen, anything you want to do, let me know. I've been through all the scenarios. I'll get you from start to finish and quickly and under budget.
And, you know, hey, we can appreciate that. You know, we're always looking to target right under the budget, that's for sure.
Yep.
So, realtors, Joey is a certified contractor, he is an investor, and he is willing to go with you to the property. Say you have a property that you've already, you're under contract, you're working with other investors, don't be scared to give my man a call, okay? Because he'll come out, he'll walk you through the property, he'll check out all the P's and Q's of the property, maybe some things that you may not see off the bat. He was a home inspector for quite a number of years, so you know you're trained on exactly what to look for outside of your construction experience. Yes. And hey, you might get another investor, into your pipeline. So guys, don't be scared to dial this number. Joey, where can we find you?
I'm also on Facebook and Instagram as well.
Okay.
So
what's your name on Facebook and Instagram?
I'm under Joey Chan.
Okay.
So easy to find, and then.
So you pop right up for him,
yeah.
And you see him.
Mm-hmm.
So, hey friends, I hope you got some great value from this video. I hope that you can take another notch in your tool belt, put Joey in your back pocket for the next time that you need a go-to guy. So hey, you're here back again with Culture Matters. Check us out on the internet, www.culturemattersuniversity.com. We'll check you on the next one.